everyone, my name is Valeria Salinas, and I'm excited to discuss social cognitive theory and how it applies to the workplace. By the end of this talk, you will understand how people learn by watching others, how self-confidence affects performance, and how behavior is shaped by both personal and environmental factors. We will also examine real-world examples, particularly in the hospitality industry, to see how this theory plays out in daily work situations. To keep things engaging, I will share real-life case studies and practical applications. We will also reflect on how each of us experiences social cognitive learning in our personal and professional lives. Let's begin. Social cognitive theory, or SCT, was developed by psychologist Albert Bandura. It explains how people learn by observing others, how confidence impacts performance, and how individuals and their environment influence each other. The three key components of SCT are observational learning, learning by watching and imitating others, self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to succeed, reciprocal determinism, the continuous interaction between personal factors, behavior, and environment. These three components create a dynamic process in which people are constantly learning and adapting based on their surroundings and experiences. So first, observational learning. Observational learning occurs when people acquire new skills or behaviors by watching others. Instead of learning through trial and error, we observe successful behaviors and apply them. This is one of the most common ways humans learn, especially in the workplace. Let's take an example from the hospitality industry. Imagine a new hotel front desk employee named Mark. Instead of making mistakes while learning, Mark watches an experienced colleague handle guests, process check-ins, and resolve complaints. He takes note of their body language, tone of voice, and problem-solving strategies. Over time, by observing and replicating these behaviors, Mark becomes more confident and efficient. Observational learning is especially valuable in fast-paced work environments where employees need to learn quickly. It is why companies invest in mentorship programs, job shadowing, and training videos to help employees develop skills before they are required to perform them independently. A real-world example of observational learning is McDonald's training program. McDonald's, one of the largest fast food chains in the world, applies observational learning through its structured employee training program. New hires spend time shadowing experienced workers, learning how to assemble meals quickly, handle customer service interactions, and maintain quality control. Through observation and hands-on practice, employees master their roles efficiently, demonstrating how powerful observational learning can be in a high-volume business. Another example is Ritz-Carlton Gold Standards. Ritz-Carlton, a luxury hotel brand, trains its employees to provide a high-quality customer service. New employees undergo intensive training, where they observe senior staff members to learn the company's famous gold standards of service. This ensures that all employees maintain the same level of excellence, reinforcing a culture of learning through observation. One more example from observational learning is Delta Airline customer service training. Delta Airline ensures exceptional customer service by having new employees shadow senior flight attendant and ground staff. By watching experienced employees handle difficult passenger situations, newcomers learn effective conflict resolution skills, ensuring a consistent and positive experience for travelers. A second aspect of SCT is self-efficacy, the power of belief. Self-efficacy refers to an individual's confidence in their ability to accomplish tasks and overcome challenges. Employees with high self-efficacy tend to persevere through difficulties and improve their performance. On the other hand, employees with low self-efficacy might struggle with self-doubt and underperformance. Let's consider an example. Imagine an employee named Lisa who struggles with public speaking. Every time she has to present in a meeting, she feels nervous and avoids making eye contact. If Lisa's manager provides encouragement and assigns her small speaking opportunities, her confidence will build over time. Eventually, she will feel more comfortable presenting ideas in meetings, improving her effectiveness and professional growth. A great example of self-efficacy in the real world is a Starbucks barista training. Starbucks places a strong emphasis on self-efficacy through its barista training program. Employees are gradually introduced to different aspects of the job, from making coffee to customer service, allowing them to build confidence in their abilities. Trainers provide positive reinforcement, helping employees develop a strong sense of self-efficacy, which improves their performance and customer interactions. Zappos empowerment training is another example of the real world in self-efficacy. Zappos, an online shoe and clothing retailer, provides extensive training programs to ensure employees feel confident in their roles. New hires undergo a 4-week training process where they are encouraged to take initiative, make independent decisions, and embrace customer service challenges. By boosting self-efficacy, Zappos creates a strong customer-oriented culture where employees feel empowered to perform their best. One more example of the real world from self-efficacy is Tesla's innovation-driven culture. Tesla's encourage self-efficacy by allowing employees to take ownership of projects and contribute innovative ideas. By giving engineers and technicians the freedom to experiment, Tesla fosters a culture where employees believe in their ability to drive change and technological advancements. The third aspect of SET is reciprocal determinism, a two-way influence. Reciprocal determinism is the idea that people's thoughts, behaviors, and environments all influence each other. A motivated and engaged employee can improve workplace culture just as positive work environment can enhance employee performance. Consider the following scenario. A company wants to encourage teamwork and communication among employees. They introduce an open office layout, collaborative projects, and team-building exercises. As a result, employees begin working together more effectively, building a strong professional relationship and improving the company's overall performance. One of the biggest real-world examples for reciprocal determinism is Google's work culture. Google applies reciprocal determinism by creating a workplace environment that fosters innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning. Employees are encouraged to take risks, think creatively, and learn from failures. Because of this supportive environment, employees engage more in problem solving and teamwork, which in turn shapes Google's reputation as an industry leader in innovation. Another example is Toyota Kaizen culture. Toyota promotes a culture of continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, where employees at all levels contribute to improve efficiency and productivity. By fostering an environment where learning and adaptation are encouraged, Toyota continuously evolves and maintains its competitive edge. Another example for reciprocal determinism could be Airbnb's customer-centric culture. Airbnb continuously improves its platform by incorporating host and guest feedback, shaping an environment where adaptability is key. This interactive learning process allows the company to refine policies and create a more user-friendly service, showcasing reciprocal determinism in action. On the other hand, a toxic work environment can create disengaged employees. Companies with poor leadership, high stress levels, and little recognition for achievements often see high turnover rates and low productivity. This is why organizations must foster a positive culture where employees feel valued and motivated. Let's apply these concepts to a real-world hospitality example. Imagine a new hotel server named Sarah. On her first day, she observes Emma, a senior server who excels in customer service. Emma greets guests warmly, remembers their preferences, and provides exceptional service. Sarah starts mimicking Emma. Initially, she is unsure, but with practice and positive guest feedback, her confidence grows. Soon, she handles customers independently and effectively. As Sarah gains experience, she begins mentoring new employees, passing on what she learned. This cycle highlights observational learning, self-efficacy, and reciprocal determinism in action. Another real-world study is Hilton Hotels, which invest in extensive employee development programs. New hires undergo job shadowing, mentorships, and leadership training to help them grow in their roles. This investment in learning ensures that Hilton's employees are confident, well-trained, and motivated to provide exceptional service. Another example of applying social cognitive theory is Microsoft. The company emphasizes mentorship, continuous learning, and employee empowerment. Microsoft fosters an environment where employees are encouraged to collaborate, share knowledge, and take calculated risks. This helps employees develop a strong self-efficacy and continuously improve their skills, benefiting both personal development and the company's success. So, there are 5 strategies for applying social cognitive theory in the workplace. Implement mentorship programs. Encouraging employees to learn from experienced colleagues fosters a culture of continuous growth. Provide continuous feedback. Constructive feedback reinforces positive behaviors and helps employees make necessary improvements. Create a positive work environment. A supportive workplace enhances motivation, productivity, and job satisfaction. Encourage self-efficacy. Assigning manageable challenges and providing encouragement helps employees build confidence over time. And promote a culture of learning. Offering training programs and career development opportunities ensure employees stay engaged and adaptable. So, applying social cognitive theory in the workplace not only improves professional performance but also fosters personal growth. Employees gain confidence, develop stronger relationships, and become more adaptable. In turn, businesses increase productivity, better collaboration, and higher employee satisfaction. By recognizing the importance of learning through observation, self-efficacy, and the interaction between behavior and environment, individuals can create better career opportunities and enrich their personal development. Overall, social cognitive theory helps us understand how learning and behavior influence workplace interactions. By observing others, building confidence, and fostering a supportive work environment, both employees and organizations can succeed. Implementing these principles can lead to a more motivated workforce, stronger professional relationships, and a culture of innovation. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this knowledge helps you improve in your professional and personal life. Keep learning, growing, and applying these principles in your journey to success. Bye!